Hello, everyone. This is Happiness Transmission Power Plant, here to fill your daily lives with happy energy. Today, we want to talk about relationships, which are both the highlight and one of the biggest concerns of university life. Are you wondering how to get along well with friends and seniors, juniors from diverse backgrounds in a new environment? If so, pay attention to today's video. We will share wisdom on relationships that will make your university life even happier. University is not just a place for academics. It's a crucial period for taking the first steps into social life. The relationships we form here significantly impact our growth, studies, future career, and emotional stability. However, the free atmosphere different from high school, people with diverse values, and the pressure of academics and employment can sometimes make relationships a major source of stress. If relationship difficulties are making your university life tough, the 5 methods we'll share today can help you build happier and healthier relationships. Now, let's share 5 ways to get along well with university friends and seniors, juniors. These methods can be flexibly applied to your situation. First, open your heart with active listening and empathy. The beginning of a good relationship starts with genuinely listening to the other person's story. Show effort to listen attentively to what they say and empathize with their feelings and situations. Beyond just listening, expressions of empathy like, "I see," or "that must have been tough," make the other person feel understood. This greatly helps in forming deep trust and rapport. Second, communicate clearly and set healthy boundaries. Misunderstandings and conflicts in relationships often stem from unclear communication. Express your thoughts and feelings honestly and clearly, but do not lose respect for the other person. Also, for healthy relationships, setting appropriate boundaries is crucial. Rather than fulfilling every request, you should give and receive help within your capacity and respect each other's independence. Third, build rapport through shared experiences and activities. Spending time together and creating memories is the best way to strengthen relationships. Engaging in club activities, study groups, team projects, or school events. Working together towards a common goal naturally fosters rapport. These experiences will help you understand each other more deeply, overcome difficulties together, and create unforgettable memories. Fourth, acknowledge differences and respect each other. University brings together people from truly diverse backgrounds and with varied values. When you encounter people with different thoughts or behaviors, it's important to acknowledge and respect those differences rather than criticize them. Understanding that not everyone can be like you and respecting each other's individuality will lead to richer relationships. Fifth, don't avoid conflicts, resolve them constructively and forgive. No matter how good a relationship is, conflicts are bound to arise. Rather than avoiding conflicts, it's important to face the problem and strive for constructive resolution. Instead of reacting emotionally, focus on the core issue and try to understand each other's perspectives. And after a conflict is resolved, it's important to let go and forgive. Forgiveness is essential not only for the other person, but also for your own peace of mind. It's important to consistently practice these methods. Rather than trying to do everything perfectly from the start, it's crucial to begin with small steps and turn them into habits. Sometimes, it's also necessary to be kind to yourself and take a break when things get tough. Your happiness is what matters most. Everyone, university relationships can sometimes be challenging, but they are also valuable experiences that help us grow. Through the 5 methods we've shared today, Happiness Transmission Power Plant sincerely hopes your university life is filled with happier and healthier relationships. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Please share your own relationship tips in the comments too. Let's communicate and grow happiness together. See you in the next video. Bye.